Hey guys, just a random video. Oh, I have a few more days to go and then I go back. Uh, what is different? I really still don't know if I get any healing or not. Still have my problems and stuff. I think don't have like high hopes for this place. That's my real opinion. I heard some people sell their house to come here and stuff like this. So I don't think that's a good idea. Because it's not gonna work like this. You come here 1 week and you're gonna get cured. That's the sad reality. But it's good to come if you want to grow spiritually. I don't know if that happened also. Like if you grow spiritually, you would know that for sure. Like you would feel inside your soul and stuff that something happened, but I don't think it happened. Reality. I think everything is still same, and I really don't know like what else to say. I'm going now to the casa room and I'm gonna meditate for a few hours there. So talk to you later. Bye.